Sean, what are we eating?
I found a rat in the back last week.
What you doing, Dave?
I just installing new sun visor.
Huh? Oh, it's got puffs!
Down is looking pretty sexy today.
How do you feel?
Feels way better than I was.
Yeah. Welcome back. Let's take a look at some 3 Series that we have for sale. As you know, the 328s, the E90s are our bread and butter. These are excellent cars underneath 12,000 bucks. This one's a 2010 coupe with just over 90,000 miles for 10,795. This is a 2010 328 all-wheel drive with 75,000 miles that just got reduced down to 10.7. Over here, this one was listed for 9,000. This is a 2008 328 all-wheel drive wagon with 174,000 miles in excellent condition. Was 9,000. Now it's dropped down to 7,995, 8 grand. Customer car here, back behind you, Jay. Lastly, we have a 2010 328 with just over 90,000 miles that just got listed for 10 grand. Over here in the back, nice black sapphire metallic on black 328 sport package with just over 60,000 miles. Oh, this is Chef Sean over here, a little sampler.
Here, you want to give it a try?
Give it a shot.
I want the fat.
Get it.
Sean, what are we eating?
I found a rat in the back last week. I threw it in the freezer and cooked it over Thanksgiving.
Nice.
Did you cook it on a S54?
He lubed the pan with oil.
Yeah.
That's a brake fluid.
540.
Sean is actually a really good cook.
Nice.
So if you guys haven't met Sean yet or talked about cooking, might want to stop by. He's got some good recipes. Yeah, so 328 rear-wheel drive, sport pack, black on black with just over 60,000 miles. This guy is going to go quick. Super clean car just came in. Window tint's got to come off, obviously. What else we got, Jay?
So John is working on my
M3.
favorite car here.
The E90 M3? Yeah. Also, Sean Brown, your favorite car. What's up, Sean?
Who is this?
What's Dave got working on? What you doing, Dave?
I just installing new sun visor.
Huh? Hey, John.
Hey,
What you working on?
what am I working on?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
So John's wrapping up a E92 M3 BCT that we have coming available. This guy's got a little over 100,000 miles, Silverstone on red. What you wrapping up now?
I'm just putting in motor mounts.
Just putting in motor mounts.
That's very
Simple-
casual,
simple
putting in
motor.
motor mounts.
Simple motor mount job.
Mess with me, the motor be on the floor.
And we serviced the trans in this one, right?
Yes, we did. We replaced all the ECT gaskets.
Nice. And we did valve covers?
Yes, we did. Valve cover and timing case cover gaskets.
Nice.
I believe we did rear brakes as well.
This is your daddy's favorite car right here. Yep.
This is his favorite car. These are sweet. And we got over here in Sean's Bay, we got it's like a pretty well modified 335 IS.
It sounds great.
Looks like Alpine white.
It is.
Nice set of Apex wheels. Little zip tie mod. These are sweet. These are really, really fun. Some of these were even quicker than the E90 M3. Let's check out the interior. This is Pedro's E46 wagon. Pedro Cruz in detail. That's his lovely E46 wagon. What are we working on today?
We got an X3 M40i. Fairly clean, just a couple of, coffee stains on the dash and whatnot, but nothing we can't clean up.
Well, when Pedro's done with this, we're gonna take this guy for a spin and see if it deserves the M badge. Because right now BMW has a bit of an identity crisis, and it feels like they have to put an M badge on everything, but I drove this one before and I think you're gonna be surprised. Jay, let's check out under the hood. So, X3 M Lite, as people like to call it. This guy's equipped with a B58. Of course, you know this engine from the Supra, the 340. Makes just over 350 horsepower, and with minimal tuning, you can squeeze a lot of power out of it. And what's better than a all-around mommy-daddy vehicle that is quick? This thing is sweet. I can't wait to take this for a spin with you, Jay. It's got the self-driving or the adaptive cruise control on the front, the radar. This is gonna be pretty. All right, so welcome, 2018 X3. I'm gonna call it the X3 M Lite. I don't like that BMW is putting an M badge in front of everything. I feel like you should have the performance level, and then you should have your M.
I agree.
In between, call it an IS. Beneath the X3, it looks like any other X3 at the soccer parking lot or at the mall. This guy has the B58 linked to BMW's 8-speed torque converter. And I'm really impressed with this torque converter. Downshift, 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 downshift. Oh, hi.
Uh-oh. Oh my goodness.
It's an SUV.
Oh, it's got pops. Get out of here. The AMG didn't have pops.
This is ridiculous.
The AMG didn't have pops. Oh my goodness.
This is so silly. I mean,
could you imagine 60-year-old woman in here and she hears the pops?
You pick up your kid.
I bet she'd take it back to the dealership.
Jay, every time we take out a fun car, there's always a highway patrolman. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. You can take your fingers and go like this and turn the music volume up, all this stuff.
Copyright.
The car is now,
Actually, oh my goodness. Oh, that sounds great. Wow.
Stupid.
I felt like we were in a car right then.
It's so stupid.
We zipped through here in the Z4 and that was very reminiscent.
God, that engine sounds so good. You put a Supra engine, look how fast. I think if you went back in time and you said, hey, 10-year-old Dan, someday you're gonna like driving a 6 and an X3 with an automatic transmission, he'd probably punch you in the face. Oh, wow. God. Oh.
That's super responsive too.
Isn't that ridiculous?
Super responsive for a car this big.
Yeah. Put a more aggressive wheel on it.
Do they at least have the option? There's no option?
I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you.
AMG gave us an option, but yeah.
But this guy is pretty fairly fully loaded, so I imagine if it did have, and then we can just put it in a drive mode, put it in the comfort, and you've got Grandma's X3. We love our E93 28s, and this one is a little special. This guy just showed up. You can see it as it sits right now. We'll follow this one, so when we're done with it and it's fully listed, you'll be able to see the before and after. But this is how this one just showed up. Dropping a key again. This is a 2007 with just under 100,000 miles. 99,000, right there at 99,000 miles. 07, titanium silver on the brushed aluminum. And it's a 3-pedal. Nice little 3-pedal E93 series, we love them. We haven't had one in a long, long time, but this is how this guy has shown up. Needs a detail, might need some tires. Let's check out under the hood. Mein Gott, ooh, there goes my back. I'm old. Oh God, it's like everything went downhill after 30. All right, check out the M52 inline 6, our favorite. Again, you're seeing it as it just showed up. A little dirty. Valve cover looks like it's leaky. Everything else looks straight though. We'll get in the garage, do a full diagnostic on it, get some cosmetic reconditioning in. Sean and John will go through it and do their magic. Dave and I and the whole team will take this guy for a spin over a couple weeks, and you'll see this one soon. Checking out one of our videos. Here at Atlas Motor Company, our BMW inventory gets refreshed every single week. We're gonna have fresh new content for you on a weekly basis. If you like what you guys saw, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get alerts, and we'll see you next time.